My name is Lucky. I am from my Butidan Township, Lanthi village. I am 18 years old ongoing this year. I grew up in Lanthi village, and in 2017 I fled to Bangladesh in Huri refugee camp, and I'm living with my family. When I was in refugee camp, my father was in jail Butidan, but after 2 years later, he got free from the Butidan jail and he came to Bangladesh. Now we all are together in the refugee camp. I just completed class 10 from Mangdo Township, and here in refugee camp, unfortunately, I got a scholarship from Asia University, and I went to Asia University in 2018. So now I am studying PPE, Politics, Philosophy and Economics at AUW. I don't think that I am a leader, but generally people that are lucky you are a leader. But I don't think that I am a leader because I still am young and I am a student. So, but I am dreaming to help my community and women. So, in my community, especially for Rohingya women and girls, they have been facing many problems like domestic violence, sexual gender-based violence, because there are so few educated women in my community, and they didn't know what is their right and justice. Even they doesn't understand what is violence mean. What does violence mean and what we have to do. The education is more powerful than everything, and without education we are nothing. I just want my community and women to be educated and to know more about right and justice. Our Rohingya women, they didn't understand that we need right or we need to be educated. And in future, if I get opportunity, I will help the women by creating my own curriculum and by creating own section. And I want every Rohingya young women to be like me. And I want everyone who are educated to go to university or a school to be stronger. And I want the youth who are educated, who have enough idea to lead the people. I want them to be a leader. I think if we arrange some trainings or meeting for the women especially, then they will understand a bit about the rights and about the education, because they have enough idea to get the point of others, and they have enough idea to understand, they have enough knowledge to understand, but they are not getting opportunity to get experience from others. So I just want to arrange some trainings or meeting, to arrange a meeting with them, then we will share, especially I will share my experience. Like I am a struggle in my life, and I had faced many problem in past back in Myanmar. So how I became a strong woman and how I became a university student, I just want to explain them by showing this problem and by showing my life story, so that they can understand. Because I am also a girl and I am also from Myanmar. For those women, especially for educated women, there are very educated women who have already completed class 10 from Myanmar, but they are not getting permission from their family, and some of them, they have permission from their family, but they are not getting opportunity. And in my culture, after period, we might have to get married. So for women, the peace and justice right, these things are very important for especially women, because in my country the women doesn't know what is their right. Even they didn't know that they have right or not, and they don't understand what is justice. So we have to raise our voice to the wall, and we have to share our feelings, what I feel, like what is my problem, what I need helps, what kind of help I need to solve my problems or to remove the violence from the community. They didn't understand. Even they doesn't know about the justice or right. So for women, the peace and right and justice is very, very important to know them. And this right is important because some women have very great idea and very strong, but because of the knowledge, because of the less knowledge, they don't understand what is their right. Even for me as well, when I was a school student in my country, I thought like, why do I need to study? Maybe it's better if I get married. I feel like, but after coming here, through meeting with different countries of people, I changed myself. And what we have to help them is Some of them have very great idea and knowledge, experience, but they are not getting opportunity to raise their voices, and they are not getting opportunity to get knowledge from others. So what we have to do is we just have to look at their problems and their situation, where they will feel safe or what they need. We just have to look at the key point and key issues. Now I'm a bit helping the women, especially sometimes when I have time, I go to women's house and have and arrange a meeting with everyone and share my experience and past life and present and future, so that they understand, because I am also a girl and I am also from refugee camp, so that they can understand that how women's right and what we have to do to fulfill it. And sometimes I make them phone call and share about my present and past life and future, and ask about their future plan, what they want to do. And some of them share me, oh lucky, my parents forced me to get married, but I don't want. And some of them share me, oh lucky, I think it's better if I get married, better than going to a university, so that I can earn money. Some of them are like this. And I explain them how we can earn money in future. If we study fast, we will have more money and more opportunity in future. So first we have to lost something, so that we will get more than in future. Some of them get angry with me. Oh lucky, she's not like others. And some of them get agree with me. I want to be a political leader in future because I like to solve problems and help the community. I will also start the helping people and helping women. And if I get opportunity, inshallah, in future, I will just help especially Rohingya women to be educated and to be strong and to be leader. I believe the women peace and security is very important, and in my opinion that UN agencies and UNICEF, they can help the women to get right and justice